sir, biker will guy. You will not talk long. Sit down, sit down. Sit down, all of you. Yes, Chinese sir. Hello. Come here. You went back to sit and talk to the. Be quiet. All one by one. That fasting. Now, what is your punishment? 47. You are done 47. No. Hello. You, all of you do one thing. All of open your book. Because you know, this is a time pass only for 10 minutes for conversation.
Yes.
Yeah. So I am here to
Yes.
You will check. Write the question.
Sir, can you repeat?
Who is talking? The girl side who is talking? Swastika doing now some?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I am coming to check everyone's homework. Don't worry. Before that, write one question. Yes, sir. Forward the right. Length and breadth. Length and breadth of a swimming pool. Length and breadth of a swimming pool are 100 meter and 50 meter respectively. Length and breadth of a swimming pool are 100 meter and 50 meter respectively. Okay. Then 100 meter and 50 meter respectively, 100 and 50. Okay, meters. Depth of the shallow side is 1 meter. Shallow child night. Shallow side is 1 meter. And the deep side is 2 meter. Find the volume or capacity, both volume in liters of water required to fill the pool. Also find the surface area of its walls, volume in liters of water, volume of water required to fill the pool. Swimming pool or okay. And find the surface area of the walls. Return all of you. Start solving now. Okay, you have done, you cross here. Who is the next one? Harshit, what is the area of the walls? The walls. Yes. You do not know about explanation I will give. Harshit standard. Where is the homework done? Where is the letter? Workout. Okay, I will call the parent number. Nikhil, homework also not done? Okay. Nikhil, what did you bring? What did you do? Not done homework, not brought the letter. Okay. Ayush, stand up. What did you write? Yeah. No problem. Who is this? Sriniket. What did you do? None. Where? Okay. Hello. Do your work. Whose book is this one? Why you have given your book to him?
Oh, that's it.
Work with it, no problem. I will do the need. Give us the attendance sheet.
Sir, आप mark करते हो कभी message नहीं जाता है।
Then, Arshita. Then why you are doing the copy only? Then you have to be. You have to done all that. What is your name? Done. Next, very good. Yes, sir. Letter.
Next class.
Akshay. All with mathematics only, no? Yeah. Probability and mathematics. But yeah, where is the attendance?
Sir, there only you have not given.
Oh, no, yes.
Yeah,
I will give, no problem.
Sir, where is the attendance sheet?
You got the answer? You got this question's answer? One question is given now, you got the answer? Nothing almost done?
Yes, sir.
Me. You almost done?
Yes, sir.
Where is the IQ?
Sir, not done.
Why not?
Not that.
Probably. Yeah. How many of you are getting the answer? What is this discussion going on? Try to do it yourself. We don't know your name, where's your name? We don't know. Bhav Chaturvedi, are you able to do? Your science? Who got the answer? Any answer?
Yes, sir, I got.
Yeah. Haridas, what is the answer?
Sir, 1 crore 50 lakhs.
1 crore?
50 lakhs.
You did MBA. Mastika, what is the answer?
Sir, for volume, I'm getting 7,500 meter cubes.
No. How many?
200 meter.
Again. Okay. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, Kancha.
Yes, sir.
No need of discussion is required. All of you listen here. First and foremost thing is, swimming pool is not in the shape of a cuboid. That all of you know?
Yes, sir.
If it was a cuboid, means it is the depth of the both the side will be same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you look from the top, you can see a rectangle. Yes or no? It's an open rectangle is there, full of water is there. Do you know how many surfaces are there for the swimming pool?
Sir, 6.
Oh, wrong. 5 surfaces are there. 4 walls are there and the floor is there. Okay. Understood? There are 5 surfaces are there. Top is not there. It is the top is open. Understood or not? 4 walls are there and the floor. Okay. That is this page all of you follow. What happened to you? I listen now. This discussions are around now. Now you listen here. Okay. Now, look at the imagine this is a swimming pool. So when you look from Earth, this is the length, how much meter? 100 meter. This is the breadth, 15 meter. Let's say you are here, this is the shallow side, and that is the deep side. So when you stand over here, how much water level is there? 1 meter. Suppose if you are moving toward there, so what will be there? 2 meter. Depth increases and over there it is 2 meter. That means the water level is increasing. That means you have followed. Okay. Now look here. You stand over here in this one. Here what is the depth is coming as 1 meter. Suppose if you walk this way, same depth. Yes or no? Or little more move. And this way if you are walking the same. This way is walking same. Are you followed this much?
Yes, sir.
That means this way it is uniform. Whereas this way it is not uniform. That means also is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now look at the walls. What about this wall? Swimming pool wall. This what will be this wall? Shape rectangle. This is 50 meter and this is 1 meter. That side
50 meter.
rectangle 15 meter and 2 meter. Okay. How about this side? This wall. What is this wall shape?
Quadrilateral.
Wrong. What is this wall? It is the trapezium. Look here, this is 1 meter, that is 2 meter, this is 100 meter, and this is a non-parallel side. How about this one? This is the trapezium, same trapezium, 1 meter, 2 meter, 100 meter. That which is followed.
Yes, sir.
That means this swimming pool is uniform with this trapezium. Area of the cross section is this trapezium and the length is this 50 meter. Are you followed? If you see this, every cross section will be this trapezium and that trapezium is same now. That means this way if you take any cross section it is same as this one. Whereas this way if you are taking cross section is not. This rectangle, if you take this rectangle, anywhere rectangles are different measurements. Okay, this one, you follow, this is 50 meter, whereas the other one depth is keep on changing. So, swimming pool is which one? uniform with this trapezium. That means area of the cross section is the area of the trapezium times length is same as what? Length is same as breadth of the pool. 50. Are you followed? So right, swimming pool is uniform with the wall which is a trapezium. It is a trapezium. Swimming pool is uniform with the wall, that is a trapezium. Okay, and whose length is same as the breadth of the pool. Okay. Means uniform way it is coming, uniform is this one, and whose length, that is same as the breadth of the pool. Uniform is that one, okay, not the length of the pool. Now, area of cross section. Area of cross section is equal to area of trapezium. Do you know what is area of trapezium? Half times A plus B times into the length. Parallel, that is parallel side the 1 plus 2 times 100. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is 100. This is how much? This is 1 meter. Other side is 2 meter. 1 plus 2, 300 by 2, 150 meters square. And therefore, volume is equal to area of cross section times breadth of pool, which is equal to 150 into 50, 7,500 meters square. Meter cube. We need the volume in liters. How do you convert meter cube to liter? 1 meter cube is 1 meter cube is equal to 1,000 liter. So multiply by 1,000.
That's 75
liters. Understood? So this pool requires how much water? 75 lakh liters of water. Are you followed or not? Okay. It's not pool country, swimming pools require a lot of water. Not that we feel it's a depends upon the dimension. The 100 meter generally, very less standard sizes are there. But even you can imagine 75 lakh liters. Okay. One big tank was only 10,000 liters of water. Okay. So the standard pools are size for minimum 150 meters size. Okay. Now, it's not that if you've seen the swimming pool, have you seen the swimming pool? Where? So what is the length of the pool? What is the length of the pool?
only मैं जाता हूँ उड़ी मारता हूँ फिर वापस आ जाता हूँ
Yeah.
Yes, we are able to make it.
Yeah. Now, area of the what is the second part?
surface area of the
All the walls. How many walls are there?
Five.
Four walls. One is this one rectangle, and there is a rectangle. This rectangle is 50 into 2. Sorry, 50 into 1. That is 50 into 2. And area of one trapezium we got area of the second trapezium multiplied by. Okay, so right, area of surface area of walls is equal to surface area of the walls. Is equal to 50 into 1 plus 50 into 2 plus 2 times area of trapezium. That is 50 plus 100 plus 2 times 150. 300 plus 400.
Sir, 450.
Done all of you?
Yes,
sir. Okay, listen. Done now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the floor of this pool?
Rectangle.
It is a rectangle. All of you agree? No. All of you are. All of you be quiet. No argument, no discussion. Quiet. You know what is the meaning of being quiet? My question is, what is the floor of the pool? Those who know, please raise the hand. Pratik, wrong.
Rectangles.
You have to explain how is a rectangle. Okay, yes.
Sir,
Isosceles trapezium. That means trapezium.
Rectangle with unparalleled, non-parallel rectangle.
How did you get a rectangle? Let me know.
Sir, the length is equal. The length of the floor is equal and the breadth of the floor is equal.
Oh. What is the length of the floor?
It's hard to measure.
It is measured. It is measured. What is the breadth? It is measured. Listen here. It is a floor is coming as a rectangle only. Okay. Now, over here, if you see here. Look here. This side is called the length of that rectangle. If you see this way, means it is coming this way the line. Therefore, this is the length and the breadth is coming as which one? 50 meter. How do you get this length? This is 100. This is 1. This is 2. What do you do? Perpendicular you can draw. This is 1. Therefore, this is 1. This is 100. Then apply the whatever there you can get. Let's do 100 square plus 1 square. Root of 10,001. Understood all of you? Okay, so there are these floor. Yes, what happened? Huh?
Yes.
How do you get the volume? Tell me. You got the volume? Huh? You got volume. Then triangle volume. How do you get triangle? Yes.
Sir, I will take the rectangle area and then the area.
That is called the area of the cross section directly trapezium now.
Yes, sir.
Same thing you can get rectangle and this one. Or area of the, there are different areas are there. This one it is the trapezium by area multiplied by this one. Or there is a cuboid and a this is the cross section and this is the breadth. This way it is uniform. This way it is not uniform. Understood? This way, I said no, when you walk this way, height will remain same. Whereas we go this way, height will not same now. When you stand out here, you contain 1 meter. When you moving it is there, height of the water increases. It's or not? Whereas whenever go this way means 1 meter will remain 1 meter. That's it. So this cross section into that is the breadth of the pool. Okay? Chalo, is it done all of you?
New chapter.
All of you are done?
Sir,
Now, what happened to you? What is your method? Tell us.
Sir, I have taken a I made it as a cuboid. There's a below part I have made it say
You made it into? Yeah. Who got the textbook?
Sir,
I don't need all of you keep the textbook inside. Now listen all of you. All of you listen here.
okay.
Ayush, what is that? Now. So whatever I'm searching, whatever I'm searching, you're going to do now. Now,
Probability sir.
all of you listen now. In your stop talking. In your chapter Consider 1. There are 6 to 7 exercises are there in your textbook. And if you see the exercise A, 28 itself, there are other 28 sums are there. And this way, every exercise contains quite a lot of sums. There are even 14 sums are there, 14, 15 sums minimum is there. Now,
Sir, what's the 126 something total? What's 4?
what happened?
What's 4 exercises? 14, take
Tell what do you want to tell?
And pele,
Ah,
first one plus subs.
okay. First exercise is there not 28 sums are there, I said.
Now it's okay, but
Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, now, so this one, we have done every exercise 5 to 6 or 6 to 7, less than that many sums only we are done. And there are some sums from this textbook, similar sums are there, not in the volume also. You see, there are little complicated sums also is there. Okay, so there are not complicated sums in these text. All examples are there, similarity to be applied and all. There are types of questions are there. So you need to go through and you have to do the exercises. Okay, you need to do the exercises. If you are not doing now, later stage, you will not get time to do this exercise. So that is why better you have to, when you practice on things, you have to do grasping what happened. Which name? Cross that volume. All of you cross the volume. Okay. From textbook it is crossed. Write one question. Let's see what we are going to do. That's simple question only. What happened to you? What is the doubt? Where? I can listen later. You ask me the doubt solving question. Okay. Okay. Now write one question. That's all it. That's all it contains. It is not complicated. It's a comparatively very easy question only. Solid contains a cone and a hemisphere on its top. Cone and a hemisphere. Cone, the solid contains one cone and the top hemisphere. Okay. Hello. Just I said be quiet and do the question. Okay. Height and radius. Height and radius of the cone are 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Height and radius of the cone are 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Diameter of the hemisphere. Diameter of the hemisphere is 10 centimeter. Find 10 centimeter. Short form right. D. Okay, H hemisphere is just 10 centimeter. Find its volume and surface area.
Okay, sir.
Where pi is equal to 3.14. Volume and surface area where pi is equal to 3.14. If it is 22 by 7, it will not be cancelled.
Okay.
That is why 3.14 is given. Hello.
That's volume and surface area of volume.
Volume and surface area of the solid. Similar sum is done now, then why you are asking again?
That's plus
Using you are the only one knows all this.
now let's see. Sir, what is volume of
Hello, please stand up. I said no need to talk in the class. Formula I will not tell.
No, sir, no formula, sir. Sir,
You read the question, everything is very clear.
3.14
That is your lookout, no? what you should do, simplification and calculation, you have to see. You cannot put 22 by 7. 3.14 means 3.14. What asking what you are searching for formula. Sphere. Which sphere? Then got the answer. Two things you have to find out. One is volume as well as surface area. How many of you got the volume? 3, 4 hands are raised.
Sir, I got the volume.
Answer got.
Those who got the answer of the volume, find out the surface area. I know what you are searching, formula only you are searching.
Surface area. Sir, what is?
You are writing your nonsense to read or then 1 point.
अरे nonsense के लिए।
Surface area आपका कौन is 4 का यार?
हाँ तो वही तो सर।
वही तो है। क्या बची यार?
थोड़ा स्पेयर आने चाहिए आपको।
और प्रयास करना।
बट वो किसका था? Sorry.
Sir got the surface area.
अच्छा ठीक है।
Some of you got the answer.
The pi r.
Yeah. Again.
अभी कर
Now all of you listen here. With this 1 minute till end of the lecture will go on notes. What happened? Yeah, listen now. The solid contains two parts. One is what? Cone and the hemisphere. Volume it is direct. Volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. Tell me how many surfaces are there? How many surfaces are there? Two surfaces. Wrong. There are three surfaces. CSA of the cone, CSA of the hemisphere, and both of them are not of equal radius. So from the base area of the cone, you have to remove base area of the hemisphere. So then for the cone, R is equal to how much? 7 now. And H 7 or 10? 10. H is equal to 24. We need L, root of 10 square plus 24 square. That is equal to root of 76. Sorry, 676. 26. And for hemisphere, radius is equal to 10. F3, diameter is equal to 10, radius is equal to 5. Volume is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. That is, here two radius are different, so I can take this as capital R or something. So pi 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi capital R cube. That is pi by 3 you can take common. R square 10 square into 24 plus 2 times pi cube. 3.14 divided by 3. 24 into 100, 2400 plus 125 into 2 is 2 pi 0. That is 3.14 into 2650 divided by 3. You have to do this much only for volume. Then, huh? This answer. It's not the answer. You have to do further. So it is coming as 157. Or directly multiply and divide by 3. So try to do it combined and do it instead of individually calculating. Whatever the answer getting, or this one, it is 3, only one multiplication division. Now, surface area. Surface area is CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere plus CSA base area of cone minus base area of hemisphere. This is the formula comes. That is equal to pi RL. plus 2 pi capital R square plus pi small r square minus pi capital R square. This is the CSA of the cone, CSA of the hemisphere, base area of the cone, and this one can be simplified a little more. It's a pi RL plus pi capital R square plus pi small r square. Then you take pi as common. R is given as 10 into 26, 260 plus capital R square is 25 plus small r square is 10 square. 3.14 into 385.
Yes, sir. 360 plus 70.
It is coming at 1208.9. It is coming 1208.9.
So what's CSA of hemisphere?
2 pi r square.
It is coming as 1208.9.
Whatever it is there, multiplication you have to do it. 3.14 into 385. What is the CSA of the hemisphere? Don't know.
Sir, I got
CSA of hemisphere.
below part is
No, formula nobody will give in the exams. I got formula wrong means the answer is wrong. Only multiply and get that.
Sir, I did that question. I got
Yeah, very good.
tornado.
Looking at, stop talking. These are direct questions only I have given, nothing complicated at all.
Sir,
What
sir,
happened?
why didn't we take total surface area and we took CSA instead of TSA?
Total surface area?
Yes, sir, for the question, TSA of cone and TSA of hemisphere.
You added both?
No, it's asking why we did not take.
You have to add both of them. It is attached both of them. There is the base of the hemisphere is inside. You cannot see the base of the hemisphere. Surface area means visible surface. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So then pi so then it will be same thing now. You will get pi times r square minus r square. That open means it will be simplified now. These two can be simplified now. What is the difference? This calculation will be a little more easier now. Okay. So try to do in a simpler way. Now, Varun could do 20%. Yeah.
Sir, we were saying most negative.
Yeah. Listen. These all, there are complicated lot of types of questions are there in your exercise. Even that, water and all. This one, water, transferred through the pipe to one and how much time required to fill the pool. All these types of questions are there. Now, one thing I forgot to tell, speed of the water is equal to 5, listen. Speed of the water is equal to 5 meters per second. What does it mean?
Each second covers 5 meters.
In 1
Yeah.
second, 5.
In 1 second, distance means length of the water is equal to 5 meters. Now, if it is given speed of the water is you want I to shout at you and play on from class? You guys sit in the last one, no problem. Sleep over. Speed of the water is equal to 5 meter cube per second.
Per
What does it mean?
second, how much is the 5?
Space. Means the volume of the water discharged in 1 second is equal to 5 meter cube. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
So try to understand the meaning of the question. Yes, unit, the speed of the water is equal to 5 meter cube per second, means directly the volume is given. If 5 meter per second means the volume is not given directly, you have to find out the volume. Area of the cross section into length. So identify the question, okay? Yes, sir. All right. Question. Right, hemispherical tank. A circle is coming now. We are hemispherical tank of diameter 3 meter. Hemispherical tank of diameter 3 meter. Okay, diameter 3 meter is connected with a pipe. How long it will take to half empty the tank? How
Sir,
long
can
will
you repeat the question?
hemispherical tank of diameter 3 meter is connected with a pipe? How long will it take to half empty the tank? If 25/7 liters of water, speed of the water, right? If speed of the water is 25/7 liters per second. 25/7 liters per second. 25/7 liters per second.
So it will be the
Half the this time means half the volume.
half volume of.
You do it and give the answer. Okay. There is a those who are not followed, once again I tell there is a hemispherical tank full of water whose diameter is given as how much? 3 meter. It is connected with a pipe which speed of the water flows is what? 25/7 liters per second. How long it will take to half empty the tank? Half empty the tank means you have to remove half the volume. Half the volume of water to be removed.
Speed is divided between the volume is already.
So,
The volume of water.
empty page only, fill something and show it. That is question only. Let it be there. Is there anyone getting the answer?
Yes, sir, done.
What is your answer?
990 seconds.
Swastika, what is your answer?
Yes, sir, 990 seconds.
Those are not getting right. Radius is equal to 3/2 meter is equal to 150 centimeters. 150 centimeter. Volume is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. Volume is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. That is 2/3 pi into 150 cube centimeter cube. Next, volume of water removed in 1 second. Removed in 1 second is equal to 25/7 liters. Because speed is given as 25/7 liters. That means the volume. Liters means the volume is removed. This is liters and this is centimeter cube, so you have to convert 25/7 times 1000. centimeter cube. Therefore, time taken is equal to half volume of tank divided by volume of water removed in 1 second. Half into 2 by 3. 5 you cannot cancel. So 22 by 7 into 150. Into 150 divided by 25 by 7. Cancel. Radius is radius is
6. Sir, 6. 25. Yes, sir. How is the choice?
16.5 minutes. 990 by 60. More than means convert into minutes and yeah. Completed all of you? What is that? Copy service. Huh? No. Pratik standard. Do why you next lecture anyway back to you. Why you visiting? Last lecture. He will be always yes sir. Obedience. I am saying the obedience of yeah. Listen all of you. We are going. We have the 2-3 chapters are there. One is these 3 are interrelated chapters. One is circle. There is a second. What happened? What happened here? Who's water? Your sacrifice. Yeah. Yeah, this is one circle is there, tangent and intersecting chord, then construction. Yes. Now, this one because without doing the circle, we cannot do the tangent and intersecting chord. With the both, there are properties of the constructions are there. Now, to do the circle is a little lengthy chapter. And first exercise itself, there are around 60 questions are there. Okay. Now look here, it's at least 50% means we have to do it as around 30 questions. We need to do it. Now, to do the circle, listen, last year also you had that chapter circle. Okay. Next class when you are coming, please revise at least the basics of the 9th standard. What is the basic part? I will just quickly revise certain parts, but at least what all things we studied, there are 5, 6 theorems also you learned. That one also please revise and come. Then the new properties and all will be coming. Circles are comparatively, it's not that too easy. But once if you get the method and all, it's calculations and all, it's very easy, but you can do it. Okay. Be regular in the class so that we can do it fast. Yes. I cannot every day explaining the same theorems again and again. One exercise it will take at least 3 to 4 days to complete. Because then that is the main part. Once it is that one is done, means the remaining will go little. Okay? Yes, sir. What is the circle, Kushagra? Close. Okay. Huh? Then the
So then the locus rotated amount of time.
locus, what is the locus then? Locus, then what are you doing locus? Then what is circle?
Circle is a closed figure with
so all the closed figure is not just a circle.
Sir, circle.
Hello. You want to tell us? Please answer.
There is a close, there is no vertices.
Now vertices. How many vertices are here? Okay.
Which is boundaries of India from the center.
Boundary one.
That's a.
Right, okay. Write down. Note down the definition. Circle is the set of all points. It is a set of all points.
I don't have that.
Set of all points in a plane. Set SCT, set of all points in a plane, which are points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. Set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. Better? Yes, sir. The fixed point is called its center. The fixed point is called its center. And the fixed distance is called the radius. It's called center. C-E-N-T-R-E. Center. And the fixed distance is called its radius. Now, what is the meaning of locus? You said locus of points. If you see in the textbook, it is locus. Locus means the collection of points having a common property. This is the property which are equidistant from a fixed point. This is the property, right? That dot. What are them?
Sir, fixed distance from the center is radius.
No.
Sir, you only said fixed distance.
So from where the fixed distance? Read that statement that from fixed distance from where? Read and tell me.
The fixed distance is called radius.
And before that, you read the complete statement.
The fixed point is called the center.
Before that, starting read that.
Sir, there is a set of all points in a plane where.
Plane where? You are not doing na?
Yes,
Read.
it's are equidistant from a fixed point.
So where what distance? From where the distance from? Fixed point. So fixed point is what? The distance is what? From that point only now, somewhere else. That fixed distance is from the point only, okay? That is called radius. Okay. So we will do the next chapter circle over here, the next class we will start. Okay, then it's that.
That is.